Hey guys, welcome back. So I put a poll up over on Instagram to see if you guys wanted to see what I'm packing for my work trip. So here we go. So let's do makeup first. I'll show you what I'm gonna bring and then I'll take you into my closet and then we'll pick out some outfits. So I'm gonna be gone for 3 days. So the goal is to pack very minimally and not be this person. And that's the person I usually am. So here we go. So I'm gonna put everything out on the counter for what I'm gonna need. Definitely gonna need some tweezers, hairbrush, bringing some jaw clips. And in case you're wondering, those are not toothbrushes next to my hairbrush. I use those to like smooth the flyaways. Face wipes, some skincare, and of course some Band-Aids and some floss and some soap. And then I just bring my little travel contact case and for like vitamins and medicine, that kind of thing. Gotta bring those disposable wipes and my toothbrush and toothpaste. This is really great for like Band-Aids, jewelry. I think it's made for bobby pins, hair ties, things like that. And then also jewelry. Almost forgot this, that wouldn't have been good. And I always bring disinfectant wipes because I like to wipe down like common areas. It just grosses me out, so. And then I have Q-tips, cotton balls. I normally just tuck all that stuff inside here. Then I have my little compartment that clips on with all of my toiletries. Now let's do my makeup bag. So I did a little dazzling to my makeup bag. I totally forgot about it. It is perfect for traveling. I can fit all of my makeup in it. I didn't do the other side. I think I got it at Target. So this is for makeup brushes. And then there are a bunch of different compartments that you can fit all your other stuff in, like foundations, powders, like an eyeshadow palette in here. And I like that this is nice and hard, so it's sturdy. It is a little bit on the bulky side. For me, I like to be able to fit everything that I might need in here. And you could also fit like toiletries and stuff too. Now the fun begins. This is gonna be a little bit tough for me, but I feel like I already have it decided. So I am gonna go with this for foundation because I know that it works awesome. It's a Makeup Forever HD Ultra and it is a perfect shade for me this time of year and it's super fast and easy and that's what I need, especially when I'm gonna have to get ready pretty quickly. For concealer, I have the Travel Tarte shade, but it's a little bit light for me. So I'm gonna bring this one, but I've been having to mix these two to get the perfect shade. For powder, typically always bring this A Cosmetic Bye Bye Press. And this is tried and true and it works awesome. Makes your makeup last all day long. You don't get sunglass marks. And it's also great if you have to wear a mask. So it really holds your makeup in place. For that reason, this is coming with me. For bronzer, I think I'm gonna bring Hoola because I like the packaging. It's cardboard, it's not gonna break. For blush, I'm definitely gonna bring this Milani one. It's called Rose Diora. It is just such a pretty shade. For highlight, I'm gonna bring the Milani, and this is the Champagne Diora. Such a pretty highlight. Total dupe for Becca Champagne Pop. Have to bring my eyelash curler. What else do we need from here? I'm gonna bring Milani Make It Last. This is a travel size. Love bringing this to travel on all of my trips. I think I got everything for the face, so let's move on to the eyes and the lips. This is gonna be difficult because I feel lost if I only have like one lip option. I know it's silly, but it is what it is. All right, so for mascara, I'm just gonna pick based on the ones that I'm trying to get through, but these are two of my more favorite recent mascaras. Brow products, I'm gonna bring my Brow Gal brow powder, and I'm also gonna bring my, I don't want that one, there it is. I'm gonna bring my CoverGirl. This is my favorite brow pencil. So for eyes, I'm gonna bring this one in the shade Lala. It is a perfect one and done eye shade that I can easily blend into the crease and it looks beautiful and it takes 2 seconds. I'm gonna bring this eyeliner. This is the MAC Kohl. I'm gonna bring the Born to Rhyme. It is very solid and sturdy and it's got a lot to offer, so I definitely won't be bored. So after doing a million swatches, I decided 2 different lip combinations. I'm gonna do Milani Most Natural, which is like a really pretty brown tone shade. My favorite Kylie lip, this is the Velvet and it is in the shade Bear. It's such a pretty color. And then I'm gonna bring 2 lifter glosses. I'm gonna bring the shade Ice and I'm gonna bring the shade Reef. Then I'm also gonna bring the Pillow Talk Mini. I think I'm just gonna bring these earrings, which I'll wear, and then maybe one other like little pair of Huggies or something not so heavy. And I'm also gonna bring a little jaw clip and bring my curling iron because it's so easy to just do a quick look with the curling iron, then have to worry about bringing a blow dryer and a straightener and all that. And then the only other thing that I need to decide is perfumes. And I just want to bring something small, but I feel like all my small ones, it's just not the scent I'm liking. So I think that it's gonna be between this Nude Lips, because it's just like very gentle, very light scent. You can't go wrong with it. So I think that I'm just gonna not overthink it and bring it. So what I like to do when I bring perfumes is I like to wrap them in a paper towel and then put it separately into a plastic bag and lock it. I've had issues where my perfume broke and it got everywhere in my bag, and once you make that mistake once, you don't make it again. So I wrap it and then I put it inside a sock. Just make sure that it doesn't break. And these are also great for perfumes. They're called Flow. So this is where it spritzes, and then on the other side, the bottom comes off. And you take the top off of your perfume and you pump it, and then that's how you get the liquid inside. The problem with this is once you use it with one perfume, you really can't use it again with another perfume because the scent is so stained on there and it just reeks of that scent. All right, let's move on to some clothes. I got a couple new pairs of pants from Express that are amazing. I already have them out. And they are seriously the most comfortable things that I've ever tried. So I'm definitely gonna be bringing those. And then I'm gonna bring this like slate blue color, super pretty. They're a mid-rise pant and they're like textured and they're just so comfortable and such a pretty fall color. And even perfect for winter too. And these are the Columnist Barely Boot Cut, in case you're wondering. Then I'm gonna show you the 2 new ones that I just picked up. I think it was like buy one, get one half off. So I will say they're both Columnist, but if you were to hold them, like these are very lightweight, where these newer ones are a little bit heavier, and it's because they have really good stretch. They're just very stretchy, very nice material. And I always hang my pants like this so I can keep that nice pleat line in the front. And they had such beautiful colors. So I went with the classic black. They're by Express and they're called the Luxe Comfort Knit. They are like definitely like a high rise. Yeah, so they're a boot cut high rise and they have a very stretchy waistband. This is like more the true color. It's like a beautiful sage green. So pretty. I'm in love with them. So I just need to pick out some tops here, and then I'm gonna pick out probably like just 2 sweaters to wear over them because the conference rooms tend to be very cold. So I'm definitely gonna go with a black top. And I think I'm gonna go with the one that's like, it's like almost like a satin, and it has these really pretty buttons and ruffles on top. So hopefully this is a better shot of it, but it's so pretty. It's also from Express. I really like their clothes for work. They just last such a long time. They have such cute styles. Probably gonna pair the black satin top with these pretty green pants, and then I'll just do like a really simple black boot. And then to go with this gorgeous blue pair, I'm gonna do this. It's like an off-white cream, kind of like a bone white. This will look really pretty together. So I'll probably bring these black boots because they're super comfortable. I got them from Target. They have like a really nice padded toe, and then these Cole Haan wedges. They're patent leather, and these are by far my most comfortable work shoes. Perfect for transitioning into the colder months, so it's still kind of like an open toe. So I'll probably just bring both of these. I'm gonna bring this sweater. It is so pretty. It's got like a little cutout, and I'll do like a black tank underneath. So it has the cowl neck, and then in the back, it kind of goes a little bit deeper. I think I got this one at the Loft. Really nice sweaters, so comfortable. It'll go perfect with the black pants. And a little tip is if you pack shirts that wrinkle very easily, what I do is I fold them up real nice, and then I put them in a Ziploc and then airtight the bag, push it down, and it keeps them really nice and wrinkle free. I'm gonna bring this bag. It is perfect. I don't know why the camera is showing it such a funny color. There, that's the color. It's more like a cream, which will be perfect because it matches with like everything. And then just one pair of pajamas, and then a sweater just in case the meeting room gets cold. Black's perfect because it will match with both outfits, the one with the cream top and then the one with the green pants. All right, so that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and pack all this stuff up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.